I want to learn how to change a text to uppercase in Google document, then this video tutorial is for you. So I'm on a Google document file, my productive morning routine. Let's say I want to convert this, my productive morning routine, which is the text here, to uppercase without needing to type everything one by one. So I'm just going to highlight the whole thing. I'll come to format, I'll click on format, and I'll come to text, right? And I will come to capitalization, and I'll click on uppercase. Then it has converted everything to uppercase. Let's say I want to turn it to lowercase as well. I'll highlight the whole thing back. I'll come to format. I'll come to text. And I'll come to capitalization, right? And I'll return it back to lowercase. This is lowercase, right? So if I want to change it to title case, I'll do the same thing. I'll highlight the whole text like this. I'll come to format. I'll come to text. I'll come to capitalization. And I will leave it as title case. And that's how you change a text in Google document to either uppercase, lowercase, or title case. If you find this tutorial helpful, ensure you subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you in the next episode. Thank you.